It is said that all your dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. Our time travel begins by going back into the past of our achievers, our former students, our brand ambassadors.
To begin with, our first scholar, Neeraj Kar Pathak, 2009 batch, a quiet and obedient boy. He was an active writer for school magazine and a great footballer as well. He is currently working as an assistant executive engineer with the Mumbai Port Authority.
Mohammad Ibrahim Farooqi, 2014 batch, a sober and disciplined boy with great oratorical skills. He actively participated in dramatics too. A BTech in Computer Science from SRM Institute of Science and Technology. He is currently working as a consultant for cybersecurity and risk management in KPMG Assurance and Consulting Services LLP.
Shaz Ali Khan, 2019 batch. He always exhibited leadership qualities with a sharp acumen for public relations, a bachelor in business administration from Bennett University of the Times of India Group, specializing in marketing. He is working as a digital marketing executive with the 6th Street Apparel Group, Dubai.
Dr. Ananya Gupta, 2010 batch, was a very quiet, calm and reserved boy. He did his MBBS and MD from KGMU Lucknow. Presently, he is a MD, DM, Gastroenterology at AIIMS New Delhi. It truly portrays that our school has a legacy of nurturing talent and fostering dreams.
Dr. Parul Malik, 2011 batch. She showcased good oratory skills. She is presently working as a surveillance medical officer at Rampur, Uttar Pradesh with WHO.
Akriti Lal, 2008 batch, was a very confident girl and a good orator. She is currently posted at District and Session Court, Faizabad, Ayodhya, UP, as a civil judge cum judicial magistrate, registrar, Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Authority, Faizabad.
Sugandha Bhagwat, 2016 batch, was a laborious and meritorious student, a good orator with inclination towards sports too. She scored 100% marks in English, which is a rarest of rare feats. She is currently a flying officer in the Indian Air Force.
Vaibhav Gupta, 2016 batch, did his BTech from IIT PHU and MBA from IIM Bangalore. He appeared for the CAT and scored a 99.95 percentile. He was a Lucknow topper and also a receiver of IIT Special Mention Award. Presently, he is working as an analyst with Citibank.
Mizan Haider Jafri, 2013 batch. He was an ace cricketer. Presently, he is working as an inspector at Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, CBI.
Twinkle Rastogi, 2009 batch. She keenly participated in events and debates. She did her MBA from IIM Bangalore and PA from Birla Institute of Technology. Presently, she is working as a consultant with Kearney.
Another successful alumna, Shweta Verma, was a focused and intelligent student from the 2010 batch. She is presently posted at Muradabad as Deputy SP, UP Police.
Ziauddin Ahmed, 2011 batch, was known for his competitive spirit. He did his MTech in wireless communication. He is Deputy SP in UP and is posted as Circle Officer, Banda, UP. Sanskarshan Rastogi, 2015 batch. He was an active and a dutiful child. He is currently pursuing research in spatial sciences from Czech University of Life Sciences. Major Chandan Pandey, batch 2008, was highly disciplined and was always courteous. At present, he is a major in the Indian Army.
The list is unending, but very fondly, DPS Indranagar remembers Abhinav Shukla, 2007 batch. He was an all-rounder with remarkable interpersonal skills. Presently, he is the Chief Executive Officer, Kanpur Agra Gwalior with Zomato. Alumni Meet celebrates the achievements of the alumni and the institution, fostering a sense of pride and belongingness. Current students benefit from the mentorship of the alums, who offer guidance, support, and real-world insights into their respective fields.
Alumni newsletter Carpe Diem was released on 20th October 2021 by Mr. Abhinav Shukla, President, Alumni Association. Alums often pursue careers that take them across the globe. As they travel and work internationally, they become ambassadors of their culture and carry the values of their alma mater, fostering cross-culture exchange and understanding. For them, sky is the limit.